Need it to be refreshed.
Yeah, I can hear you coming back, man, but it's just a little too rough, man. We just ain't got the Mother Nature yet. You have yourself a good weekend. Good hearing you out there in my radio. No two ways about it. Bean, I'm back on the border checking green cards and visas. I'll see ya.
31, y'all have a good weekend out there.
What do you mean, whatever? Do you have round 223? You want me to define the word again to you? Oh my God, I must have been.
Hello out there, Cougar. While you're working that 142, man, I'm just getting bits and pieces. If I'm in your radio, I'm waving your way. Have yourself a great weekend. String Bean waving your way. I'll see you.
Speaker's never with me. Back down. Hey, Slim Jim, look at your radio. Sometimes, Slim Jim, look at your radio when the dog gets mad.
Boy, I'll tell you what, Godbeer. Brian, I don't know what the heck you've done, man, but you did something right. Ain't no two ways about that. I was listening to you a while back, probably about 35, 40 minutes ago when I was in my car on my way to the bank. All I had was a whole car full of Bayou Boy talking to everybody down here, man. Boy, you got that thing dialed, man. Sounding real good, too. Bayou Boy, your friend, in the southwest corner on the border, right back.
I guess some conditions are favor. 130 Southern Cal, on by.
247 there, aren't you? 410, man. It's getting a little rough now, man. Boy, I'll tell you what, you had Mother Nature all up sitting on your head there a little while ago, man. But it's a little rough now. There's a lot of other people coming in with you, man. Just a bunch of squalling and squalling, and I'm getting bits and pieces. But Bayou Boy, you can pat yourself on the back, man, because what I heard in the car, I like. You're doing it good, man. You're doing it right. Bayou Boy, your friend. Have yourself a blessed weekend, man. Maybe we'll get each other again tomorrow, or maybe a little bit later when Mother Nature comes back. Bayou Boy. And that's my son calling. I gotta go. Have yourself a good one. I'll see you.
Audio. Hello, Bayou Boy. Hey, Bayou Boy, by some lucky chance you hear 001 Foot Station, Bayou Boy.
Got a little bit of what I'm saying. Breeze, your friend on the West Coast. Take care, sir. Have a great weekend. 137 Long Beach, California. We're standing by.
Hey, 137 Long Beach, 445 Radio Man. Said you're doing your deal down there. Sounding good. Hey, 137 Long Beach, 445 waving.
Well, I don't know if I made it to Bayou Boy or not, but Bayou Boy, if you can hear my barefoot station, welcome to the weekend, sir. Hey, Bayou Boy, by some lucky chance, if you can hear 001, oh, that is good afternoon. Good death. Have a great weekend, Mr. Bayou Boy. Oh, 001, I got down.
Why you be so mean, 001? Hey, 001, why you being so mean out there in California?
What's that?
My wife said when she gets a chance, she wants to go down live wire.
Live wire sounded treetop tall around my town. Live wire. Hope you have a good weekend too. Live wire with 8-inch mic rocking the phone. Calling gullible when you lied to me. You tried to see me that somebody else, somebody that is not. Yeah, I'll explain that to her.
What? They do sound good. They do sound good. Good.
Do that. Yeah, I've been truthful and honest out here. Yeah, if she wants to talk to me, I'll be
more than one talk to her, even right now, right now if you want.
Hey, 001, why you being so mean out there?
I can't be that.
Okay.
Hey, number 9, the pirate, I heard that crow. I guess old 445 done used up all his quarter. He ain't got no more Mother Nature 445. Read them out.
Says hello, and I know that 88, Mr. Trollman, saying hello too.
About you, boys.
I said I'm overdriven.
So I can't.
No, but it's the same thing I always run.
Oh, boy.
Let me do a Fonzie move here. How about that right there?
Bayou boy out there? Doggone. Let me get out the way. 445. Reading them out.
Fuzzy. No, not on my telephone.
It was 445.
Who's calling 445?
Well, 001, let me know. By you, boy. 445.
Alright, 001. Sounding good out there. We just sitting back here reading the mail, waiting for this coffee to brew. We're going to sit here and read this mail. 10-4.
Yeah, I haven't heard it before, maybe. Everybody else. I'm going to take a pause for the calls.
Yeah, I think we're going to do the same thing out here. We're going to take a pause for the calls, read this plug-plugging mail, because we ain't had no skip in a long time. 445, reading the mail.
See how you want to start?
I slowed key that time. I slowed keyed up for you. 445. I'm slow keyed up. 001. I'm better, but thank you.
Alright, 001, while you slow keying out there, you have a good weekend. God bless you. Hey, 001, 445. I think we're getting hoarse. I'm a little screaming out here. 445, reading them out.
Great, Turtle Man.
I got it all. I got it all. When you said it all, 445. I'll unkey slow. 445.
Alright, 001. Hey, number 9, the pirate, I heard that crow again sneaking in there. You have a good weekend if we don't hear from you no more. We got to work tomorrow, and we'll see y'all out tomorrow afternoon. 445 Radio Man, read them out.
How are you?